Hello everyone, welcome to Fluent English with Alex. I'm Alex and I'm so happy you're here today. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me. If you are learning English and you sometimes feel nervous, don't worry. This channel is made especially for beginners. Here, we learn English slowly, clearly, and naturally. You don't need to understand every word. Just relax, listen carefully, and enjoy today's story. Every time you listen, your English becomes a little better. So, take a deep breath, get comfortable, and let's begin today's story. It was a beautiful Saturday morning. The weather was cool, the sky was bright blue, birds were singing, the streets were quiet. A young boy named Ethan woke up early. He stretched his arms, opened the window, and smiled. Today was a special day. He wanted to buy a birthday gift for his mother. He looked inside his wallet. He had only $20. It is not much, he said to himself, but I will find something nice. He got dressed. He put on a blue t-shirt, black jeans, and white shoes. Then he walked to the nearest shopping street. The street was full of people. Some people were drinking coffee, some children were eating ice cream. A man was playing the guitar. Everyone looked happy. Ethan walked slowly and looked at every shop. There were flower shops, toy stores, bookshops, and gift stores. Finally, he found a small gift shop. He walked inside. The shop was warm and beautiful. There were colorful boxes, cute cards, small plants, and lovely coffee mugs. Ethan smiled. He saw a beautiful mug. It had one simple sentence. Best mom ever. He picked it up carefully. This is perfect, he whispered. He walked to the cashier. The cashier smiled. That will be $22, please. Ethan looked surprised. He opened his wallet again. 1, 2, 3. He counted every dollar. Only $20. He was $2 short. His smile slowly disappeared. I am sorry, Ethan said quietly. I don't have enough money. He gently placed the mug back on the shelf. Just then, an elderly man standing behind him noticed everything. The man smiled kindly. He walked a little closer. He looked at Ethan and said, My friend, may I help you? Ethan looked up. He was surprised. He didn't know this man. Why do you want to help me? Ethan asked. The old man smiled again. Because many years ago, someone helped me when I needed it the most. Ethan stayed silent. The old man took $2 from his pocket. He placed them on the counter. Happy birthday to your mother, he said. Ethan's eyes became wet. He smiled. Thank you. I will never forget your kindness. The old man replied, One day, when you can, help someone else. That will be the best way to thank me. Ethan nodded. I promise. And sometimes, a small act of kindness can change someone's entire day, maybe even their life. Let's learn a few easy words from today's story. Wallet, a small thing where we keep money. Example, I keep my money in my wallet. Gift, something you give to another person. Example, this gift is for my mother. Kind, someone who helps others. Example, the old man was very kind. Now let me ask you something. If you saw someone who needed a little help, would you help them? Think about your answer. Kindness is free, and even a small act of kindness can make a big difference. Thank you so much for listening today. I hope you enjoyed this story and learned some new English words. If you liked this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Fluent English with Alex, and come back for another simple English story. Remember, don't study English only once. Listen every day, speak every day, and little by little, you will become fluent. I'm Alex. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next story. Goodbye.